I'm Karol Geppert. I'm a senior pathologist at the University Hospital of Erlangen. We get in touch with Barco regarding the study together with Siemens Healthineers following the workflow analysis on breast cancer biopsies. Right now we have more than 7,000, maybe 7,500 digital slides in the study, and maybe 100 or 200 for testing before. And aim is to complete more than 400 cases. Starting with the benefits from the newest IVDR approved digital pathology display from Barco. The brightness, the clear setting in perfect colorization, but the best benefit, or the most recognizable benefit in comparison to the other displays, is of course the resolution and the refreshment rate of 120. So it's the highest quality standard for routine diagnostics in Germany you can have, and everything is IVDR. And then we do not use a display in IVDR. So I'm very happy to have those displays.